Blessed love, royal family. Give
Blessed
thanks for
love.
life and the mighty life giver, Jah Rastafari.
Rastafari.
This is the African Liberation Network, and I am the host, the Honorable Prophet Daniel. And we're here with the Honorable Priest Richie, our beloved priest of the Order of Melchizedek, the Bobo Shanti Order. Yes, and we're going to reason about salvation, priesthood, African liberation, all the things that's dear to our heart. And we hope that the conversation will be inspiring and informational to all of the viewers. Blessed love, my Lord.
Blessed
Thanks
love,
for thy presence.
give thanks, my Lord.
Love, love. Yes, I. So to begin the conversation, could you just tell us a little bit about what does it mean to be a leading priest of the Bobo Shanti Order?
Well, give thanks for life, health, and strength. We give thanks to the mighty life giver. And we give thanks to the Eye.
My Lord.
Give thanks to the Honorable Empress. We give thanks for Honorable Prophet Marcus Messiah Garvey. We give thanks for Divine Majesty Emperor Selassie. And we do give thanks to our great ambassador, our leader, our President God and King, the Most Right Honorable King Emmanuel Charles Edwards of the Bobo Shanti Order, the Order of Melchizedek. Give thanks to the ancient Priesthood Order of Melchizedek, returned to us by our Father, our leader, our President, our God and King, as defined in Hebrews chapter 7. Well, there are many states. As you enter the Congress, when you come to the Bobo Shanti Order, you'll enter as a prophet. Immediately, once you give your name, turban or not turban, so you become a prophet. So it's Honorable Prophet Michael, Honorable Prophet Daniel, Honorable Prophet Wesmore, from there on. So coming to the order and loving the order, to understand the order, what the order is all about, the life-giving order. A man would embark upon the journey of becoming a priest. Now, as we said, it starts from a stage because it's still prophet, priest, and king. So when a person builds himself, because you have to realize now if you want to be a part of this, because you hear the principles, you hear the constitution, maybe you have never read, but you go to the Sabbath classes, the Sabbath services, the roll call, you hear everything, and you decide in your heart, sons and daughters, give me thine heart. So from there on, you will move towards to become a crown prophet, where you get your turban, you work for your mansion and a crown, right? So when you adhere to that level of becoming a crown prophet, you see yourself as part of the kingdom, because we are there towards the development of the kingdom, spiritual and temporal. So therefore you work towards this kingdom and you start to build yourself. So going to the roll call, going to the services, you're automatically learning the ceremonial order. You're applying your heart to them if you would like to be a part of this. So from there on now, a man build himself, a young man build himself, knowing the order, building up himself spiritually. You go to service, you hold your banner, right? Understand the order, because you're being there every day. You understand the ceremonial order of how the Psalms reading takes place. You realize there's an international decree, the Psalms are read. You start to study the order in yourself, seeing yourself a part of the order. So eventually you will get to become an acting priest. An acting priest is really like a leading prophet that get the chance to minister on the altar. Just as our crown prophet is a prophet, because they are a prophet that get the chance now to be in the line, playing the drum, everything. So it's still climbing the ladder. So when you become an acting priest or being beside the priest, the leading priest of the service, because the leading priest carries the ceremonial order, you realize in yourself now, you start to understand how these ceremonies are taking place, because you see in the congregation, watching the altar is something different than being on the altar itself. Bless you. So being on the altar itself now, you are nearer to the leader. So you start to understand all ceremonies, from the delegation, the rise of a banner, the fasting service, and it's within yourself, your integrity within yourself. The congregation, how yourself is presented to the congregation. you will elevate yourself towards being a leading priest. Now the leading priest now of the Congress daily manifests what is to be done because the priest runs the foundation. Ruled by God, directed by priest. So the leading priest knows within the heights, the order of the ceremonial order and the standard that the yard is supposed to be. So it's a man will elevate himself from prophet without turban, prophet with turban crown, acting priest, leading priest. And that's the order of Melchizedek. Now you must realize within yourself that it's not just written that you are a leading priest. It's living as you are as a leading priest, because you become now a shepherd of the flock. So whatever you do, whatever you will say, that's for the generation that is coming that you're leading. So you know, so you are a prime example of the Melchizedek order. Such an high priest became us, who is holy and defiled. Bless the Lord.
My Lord, give thanks for a great answer. Yeah,